How to test stream in Streamlabs. Testing a stream in Streamlabs ensure that your audio, video, and settings are working correctly before you go live, preventing any issues during your actual broadcast. So I'm just going to show you something in here. So basically this is my Streamlabs here, and as you can see I already have a scene. Now in order for you to get a scene or themes, what you're going to do is just click this one here. Basically you're just going to want to search for free themes in here, but if you have a Streamlabs Ultra, then definitely that is something that I'd recommend you to do. Find something here that is very amazing for you to use, and then again in my case it's just for free, so I'm just going to type here free and then click this one here, and then you have a lot of options here available for you guys. Just going to choose anything. So say for example you've chosen this one here, you're just going to click this one here, install theme, and then we're just going to wait for everything to be installed. Alright, so here's my new theme here. So say for example if I'm going to go next, you can see that there is a transition and then it says starting soon. Now the next thing is you're just going to go ahead and click the settings. Here you should select the stream, and then in my case I have linked my Facebook as well as my Twitch in here. Now I'm just going to click this one done and then click go live. Now you can do this for Facebook as well as for YouTube. Basically what we're trying to do is try to stream on our own. So basically we're going to stream in private. So just click this one here. For schedules you can just do this one. If not, you can just rename this one however you want. So in my case I'm going to call this stream test, and then the description is going to be anything. And then for the Facebook destination, you're going to click this one and then click share to your timeline. And for the privacy, instead of public, what we're going to do is click this one in order to change it to only me. Alright, so this is the reason why I use Facebook. You can do this for YouTube also, as well as for some other streaming destinations. And then once you're done, you just click this one here, confirm and go live. And then we're just going to wait for everything to happen. It says it's live right now, so we're just going to go ahead and open our Facebook and then refresh this one here. Alright, there you go. So it says that it's live right now, and as you can see it is private, so there is kind of like a lock key button here. Now what is going to happen here is that you're just going to continue on playing your game. So basically I want you to record a game, say from 30 to 50 minutes, it's up to you totally, and then after that one you're just going to check that out, see if there is anything that is missing, see if there's anything that has to be improved, and boom. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to test stream in Streamlabs. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.